Arithmetic operators are the operators which operates on two or more than two values and returns only one value after operation. The four commonly used operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let A equals to 200 and B equals to 100. Let C equals to a plus B. Let D equals to a minus B. Let E equals to a multiplied by B. Let F equals to a divided by B. In Ruby, you can use the puts or print keywords to print any kind of sentences. The puts keyword prints the string and adds a new line at the end. The print keyword prints the string exactly as it is, without adding a new line at the end. So if you have multiple print statements, they will continue on the same line. Remember to enclose your sentence in double quotes when using puts or print. This is how Ruby knows that it's a string of text. As we have done programming before, the shows the value of a which is 200. The second shows the value of B, which is 100. The third shows the value of C, which is a plus B, which is 300. The fourth shows the value of a minus B, which is 100. The fifth shows the value of a multiplied by B, which is 20,000. And the last shows the quotient of a divided by B, which is 2.